Hey traders, imagine passing a perform challenge, getting funded, making profits, and receiving your payout in about 1 hour. No waiting days, no waiting weeks, no wondering whether your payout request is sitting in some support queue. It sounds almost too good to be true, right? That is why I decided to take a closer look at Hola Prime, and more importantly, I am going to be testing them out myself. Now, if you've been in the prop firm space for any length of time, you know usually the biggest concern is not passing the challenge. It is getting paid. We've all heard the stories. Traders pass evaluations, follow the rules and make profits, and then suddenly run into payout delays, confusing restrictions, or rules they didn't fully understand. That is why I started doing research on different firms, seeing what they actually offer beyond the marketing. One name that kept popping up was Hola Prime. The first thing that caught my attention wasn't the account sizes or profit split. It was the claim of 1 hour payouts. Naturally, I wanted to dig deeper. After spending some time looking through their platform, I realized they offer different account models depending on the type of trader that you are. The first option is the Pro Challenge. The two-step challenge spreads the targets across 2 phases. Then there is the Prime Challenge. This account type is built around flexibility, and it's actually the account I'll be trading myself. Finally, they offer direct accounts, which allow traders to start trading funded capital immediately without first having to pass an evaluation. So instead of forcing every trader into the same model, they give you several different paths depending on your trading style and risk tolerance. The good thing about having multiple account models is that you can choose a structure that best fits your strategy, rather than trying to force your strategy into a challenge that it was not designed for. Honestly, I think that is something that many traders overlook. One thing I've learned from reviewing pro firms is that most traders spend all their times looking at profit splits and account sizes. But the real difference is usually in the rules. Some traders need higher leverage, others want the ability to hold trades longer, some prefer instant funding, and others don't mind completing an evaluation first. Now let's talk about the rules. Now here is the part that really matters, because no matter how good the payouts sound, the rules determine whether you can actually keep the account long enough to get paid. While researching Hola Prime, I found their rules relatively straightforward and easy to understand. You have clearly defined drawdown limits, profit targets are clearly outlined, the account structures are explained in detail, and that's actually one of the things I want to test during this series, which I'm going to start. Not just whether I can pass, but whether the rules are as clear and trader friendly in practice as they are on their website. Now let's talk about the feature that everyone seems to be talking about, the 1 hour payout system. At Hola Prime, payout requests are processed within approximately 1 hour. That's an incredibly bold claim in the industry, where traders are often expected to wait several days. Something else worth mentioning is that Hola Prime payout system has undergone a review by Deloitte to validate the reliability and transparency of the payout process. This makes Hola Prime the first firm to do this in the prop industry. Now, reviews are great, but as traders, we all know there is only one thing that truly matters: real world results. And that's exactly what I plan to find out. So traders, let's just look at an in-depth of the account types that Hola Prime offers, so that you guys can be well acquainted with what you are going to get when you start trading with Hola Prime. So at Hola Prime, they offer both forex and futures trading, but in this case we're just going to look at forex for now. We'll look at futures also in the future. Today let's just look at the forex side of Hola Prime. So here we have the one-step challenge right here. and we have the two-step challenge and also the direct funding. So all these, as you click through here, when you go onto the website using the link in the description, you'll be able to see the information here for the account summary depending on the account type that you have chosen. But let's look at the two-step here. The two-step comes in Pro and Prime account type. So when you look at the Prime one, which is the one I am going to do with the 10K challenge, you'll be able to see the account summary right here. Guys, remember that the price that you're seeing here is the price after the discount has been applied. It is not the price that is always there. It is the price after the discount has been applied. As you can see right here, it is usually $69, but right now it is $41, right? That is after the discount. So keep that also in mind. At Hola Prime, you'll get all the platforms that you need to trade. You have a variety to choose from MT4 all the way to Match Trader. All the popular platforms are covered. So guys, you can use link in the description, get yourself account with Hola Prime and get started on your journey of trading. You can also see that Hola Prime offers accounts up to 200k for this type of account, which is the Prime account type for the two-step challenge, right? When you go to the Pro, they offer the same account size up to 200k, right? So you can just come and play around here, toggle this on and off, go and check out this so that you can choose an account that is suitable for your trading. So also what you need to know is that as you're trading, make sure that you know the risk parameters for each of the account types that you are looking at. You can just look at that by looking at the account summary right here on the right, and then you can be able to see your profit targets and the risk summary. For example, here for the one-step challenge, you have a maximum daily loss of 3% and a maximum overall loss of 6%, with a profit target of 10%. If you come to the one that says account type 1, it has a maximum loss of 7% and there is no maximum daily loss, as you can see right here. So you can just come and check this out. You'll be able to see the account summary, so you keep your attention on that so that you know what you are actually trading. For the two-step, as you can see, the two-step Prime, this is the account summary. You have a maximum daily loss of 5%, max overall loss of 10%, and then a profit target of 8% in phase 1 and then 5% in phase 2. When you look at the Pro account type, you see that they have a maximum daily loss of 5%, maximum overall loss of 10%, and then also we have a profit target of 8% and 5%. So these two here have similar account summary and risk parameters. But you can also click here and then you go and check out the trading rules for each of the account types. Like if we click here, we can then come to this page for the account trading rules. Then you can go over, like for example here, two-step Pro, you have here one-step Prime, two-step Prime, one-step challenge, and then direct account. Each of them have their different rules. For example, if you click on two-step Pro and you come to trading rules here, you'll be able to see the rules related to that account. If you come to the one-step and then you come here, you can be able to see the rules, for example here, that are related to that account. For the two-step Prime, for example, you'll also be able to see each of the rules that are related to that account type, right? So make sure you do this so that you know the account type and the risk parameters that you are supposed to be within, so that you can be able to trade successfully using Hola Prime as your platform of choice. Before anyone gets the wrong idea, let's be realistic. This isn't free money. No platform is. You still need good risk management, discipline, consistency, and a strategy that actually works. A funded account doesn't magically make you profitable. It simply gives you access to more capital if you can prove your ability to manage risk and generate returns. So if you're looking for shortcuts, prop firms aren't the answer. But if you're a disciplined trader, they can be a powerful way to scale your capital. Now, this brings me to the reason I am making this video. Instead of reviewing Hola Prime from the outside, I have decided to put them to the test myself. I've started a relatable 10K two-step Prime challenge that every trader can afford. If you want to follow along, You can do so by using the link in the description to sign up with Hola Prime, get yourself an account, then you can be able to follow along. Over the coming weeks, I am going to document the entire journey here on the channel. I'll document every trade, every setup, every win, every loss, everything. My goal is to take this account from day one, passing the challenge, getting funded, and through to getting a payout, all documented right here. That way we can answer the important questions together. How clear are the rules in practice? How does the challenge experience actually feel? And perhaps most importantly, does Hola Prime honor payouts exactly as stated on their website? Does the one candlestick strategy actually work on prop firms? We are going to see the entire process unfold in real time. So be sure you subscribe to the channel and also get started on your own funding journey using Hola Prime, and please use the link in the description when you sign up and the discount code that I'll leave in the description so that you can get a 30% off on your first purchase. So if you're interested in following along and seeing me take on the 10K two-step prime challenge, be sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss this series, because this is going to be a fully blown out series on the channel. We'll be tracking every step of the way from the challenge phases, from phase 1, phase 2, all the way to the payout request. Along the way, I'll share my honest opinion about the rules, the platform, the trading environment, the trading experience, and whether Hola Prime delivers on what they actually promise. Also guys, you can join me on this challenge using the link in the description of the video. As I've said before, you can get a 30% off discount when you start using the link in the description. It is my personal link that takes you directly to the Hola Prime website, where you'll be able to get yourself an account of any type and get started on your way to getting funded. Remember guys, trying to trade with small capital can be detrimental to your growth as a trader. That is why we need prop firm like Hola Prime with good rules that favor you, the trader, to be able to scale our account, scale our capital, and see ourselves improve generally our trading experience. And also, if you've traded with Hola Prime before, let me know your experience in the comments down below. Be sure to give this video a like, share it with your colleagues, your friends, fellow traders. Let them know there is a prop firm here that is wonderful and it's here to get you funded. So guys, if you're following me along this journey, I'll see you in the first episode taking the 10K two-step prime challenge from a challenge phase 1 to phase 2 and then to payout. Be sure to subscribe so that you can follow along. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace and out.